Do not attempt to connect your camp stove to a natural gas supply. Use only with a propane hose and regulator supplied with the stove and an approved propane tank. Introducing GasOne's high-pressure propane burner. With high BTU outputs, GasOne's high-pressure single burner cooks, boils, and grills with amazing efficiency. GasOne's high-pressure single burner comes with a low-profile frame and an air control panel. Each burner includes a high-pressure adjustable PSI regulator and hose. It monitors the flow of gas to the burner and ensures a safe cooking experience for everyone. Brass stove inlet fitting. Make sure the propane bulk tank valve is closed before attaching the propane hose to the outlet of the propane tank. After slowly opening the propane tank, slowly open the regulator valve and then ignite the burner using an extended lighter. If the flame is too yellow, adjust the air control panel until the desired flame color is achieved. Part 2. Disassembly and storage. Turn the valve on the propane tank to the off position. Next, remove the regulator hose from the tank and stove. Wait 15 minutes for the burner to cool before storage.